Today, let's look at Microsoft. It rose nearly 2%, led by a lot of the tech sector booming. But what can we expect going forward? Let's take a look at the chart of Microsoft and use some technical analysis tools to diagnose what kind of resistances we can see coming up and where we can see the price target of the stock going. Let's take a look first at the 4-hour chart for Microsoft. As you can see, unlike a lot of the tech stocks, it's been kind of bouncing around in the channel for quite some time. It's been nearly a month and a half and it's kind of stayed within the same channel. As you can see, we saw at the beginning of August a double top here at this resistance, now turned support of 217, and then it's kind of slowly drifted back its way back up. Over the last couple of days though, it's kind of jumped quite a bit. So as you can see, we have the long-term historical supports now at from 211 and 217. Let's take a closer look at what kind of did here. Let's jump to the 30-minute time frame to see what kind of analysis we can do on the shorter time frame. As you can see, we have the same supports that we had previously in the 4-hour time frame. Now, I use the tool of the Fibonacci extension twice here over the last 2 days. So this is going to be kind of a weak tool, only because I'm using it now only on the day, the intraday values. It does dip here too a little bit, but I think this should be fine as we're taking just as intraday here also. But here it doesn't dip. I think we should be okay using this one. As you can see, we have the support here at the same value that we ended the day at. So if you can see here, with the Fibonacci extension tool, we see that at the 168, we hit the high here of the 222. Actually, it's pretty close at 221. So that's actually a pretty good indication from this extension. So if you look up here, we can see two more resistances coming up from the two Fibonacci tools. One at 225 and then one at 226.7. And so potentially we'll see these two resistances play effect if we see a continuation of the move upwards. Otherwise, we can see kind of a degrade and a fall, and potentially we can see the same thing going down. So we see this level here, which is actually acting as a support here. It's pretty close to the one we had mapped out, which is a good indication also. So if I was looking for a move downwards, if it breaks this 218 level, potentially we can fall lower. Otherwise, I think we can still have a continuation in the move upwards. A lot of the tech sector is doing well. This one's kind of lagging behind, it seems, in terms of how much it's actually going up. So I think Microsoft could be a good long-term play here. Just be careful to be sure to protect yourself from this downside risk. But potentially we could see still a good amount of upside with Microsoft. Good luck. Thanks guys for watching, but remember to like and subscribe for any more technical stock analysis. Also, you can drop a comment for any specific stocks you want me to take a look over.